welcome back to the channel. So I was making some spatulas and I decided I was going to make some spoons. So I took a sander and I tried carving this out. It burned the wood, it barely cut into it, and I said, well, I can't use that. So I started looking on the internet and I found on Amazon Arbortech ball gouge. And then I wanted to maybe save a little money, maybe like you want to save some money. Who doesn't? So I found China makes one, made in China, and their ball gouge was like $19. So I ordered it, and then I called Arbortech, and I talked to Troy, and he said, let's do a comparison. So here's our comparison. The $100 one, the $19 one. $19 one out of the bag was used, as I open the bag. They both come with a wrench. They both come with this. This thing, I'm gonna ask my grandson, Aiden, what's this made of?
Aluminum.
Aluminum, very light, very durable, not as much as steel is. So, I went ahead and got the Arbortech one. Big difference in weight. This is steel. Magnet. This is not. Won't stick to the magnet. Even the wrench with the Arbortech one's bigger. The Arbortech, the blade is sharp. I can actually nick my finger while doing this. It's a great beveled edge, great and sharp. The China one came used. It's bit on a grinder. Someone else did the same thing I did. There is signs of wood. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Wood burns on the blade. The blade is dull, and being aluminum with this edge right here, first thing that's going to break is right there when you're leaning into it with the dull blade. So, China bad, USA good. I'm going to do another video following up on this one, showing the use of the Arbortech and how well it works. And maybe we'll even put the China one on there to see how badly it performs. Thanks for watching. People at Arbortech, Troy is awesome. Troy will answer your call same day, next day. Very great company to work with. Great product. Thanks for watching.